Hello, I thought I'd show you what I'm going to put together this morning for my smoothie from things I just have here in the kitchen. So I've got my glass, my mixer here, blender, and here is some non-dairy milk. I happen to have almond milk in. And then I got some yogurt, so I'm just going to put a few plain yogurt. I've got 3%, although sometimes I use 6%. Then I have got some frozen avocado. I've got fresh avocado, but I'm going to use that later on. And I've got a few pieces of that in, maybe about half an avocado. Then for the fruit, I've got blueberries, frozen blueberries, and frozen raspberries. I'm using the rest of those up. That's about a tablespoon. And then raspberries, it's all frozen. There we go. I find it very convenient having those sort of things. And then I'm going to have another, maybe, I don't know, like a handful kind of thing, yeah. And then, keeping on the fruit theme, I happen to have some barberries, which are very high in vitamin C. I don't think you can see that yet. And I really like them because they're very sour, very tart. I don't know, I'll have a couple of tablespoons of those now. And also, to give a little bit of sweetness, if I've got a banana, I'll use like half a banana, but I happen to have frozen, chopped up and put in the freezer, so I'm going to put in about half a banana in that. So I don't want to have too much fruit, but enough to make it just a little sweet, but not really too high carb. So that's that. Now, what I'm going to do is pick and mix. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to put in some hemp hearts. So these are some which is fairly high in protein, but also I'm just reading from the back of the package here. We've got, so it's protein and iron and thiamine, which is a B vitamin. I think it's B vitamin. Phosphorus, magnesium, and manganese. Is really much healthier than I even thought of. Wow. Okay, and I have a large two tablespoons of those. I'm going to have some ground flax seeds. So I keep this in the fridge. I keep them ground and put it in the fridge because you don't want the air to get to that'll oxidize. And again, I'm going to put in a couple of tablespoons of that. I'm going to put in, what I do is I roast pumpkin seeds. I get that because it brings the flavour out and tastes a lot better. I'm personally going to put in 2 tablespoons of that. Then what else we've got? Oh, then happen to have some kale in, so I've already pre-washed this, so I'm going to add that in. Gives a nice green flavour. And I don't really have much else which is blendable of the green variety, so I bought this, it's described as probiotic super greens with turmeric. Basically a whole load of greens which have been dried and saved in a packet. And I've got that, let's have a look, I'm reading off the back here, that is vitamin K and vitamin A, really high in that apparently. So I'm just going to add the remains of what I've got of that. Maybe that's about, maybe, I'm going to guess maybe that's about a teaspoon and a half, something like that. It's just the remains of the packets, that's why I'm not measuring it. Okay, so then I've been growing some sprouts. This is, you can see some sprouts there. This is probably 4 days old now. And I'm going to put in bit of that, a little dollop of that. Like, dollop is a really good term. Yeah. And then, what else we got here? Okay, so I like coconut, and again I love toasted coconut. It has a much nicer flavour. So I've got these bits, a bit cut into strips, not strips, pieces, and I've toasted it. It brings out a nice flavour. I'm going to put about a couple of tablespoons of that in. Some's fallen on the floor, the dog can eat those, she loves that. Very good for dogs, very good for dogs. They love coconut. And then I've got quite a large amount, right? So this is going to make 2 lots, enough for two large, like, mason jars worth. I can see from my experience about how much this is. Right. So then I've got this MCT oil, which is, what does it says here? Energy for the body and the brain. And it's got medium chain triglycerides. I forget what they are, but they're good. And very high in fats. It's kind of good to feel more sustained. Oops, I should be measuring this, shouldn't I? That's about a teaspoon worth. Oh God, here's me not really measuring because I just do it because I know how much I need or want. Okay, so now I've got vitamin C powder because I feel I want to keep my immune system going. So I've got, here I am measuring now, right? That's a teaspoon, which is roughly going to, this particular product, which is a calcium ascorbate in vitamin C crystals, right? That's a teaspoon is, I think, about just under 2 grams of vitamin C, which is a good amount to use per day. Well, obviously, I am no expert, alright, but there's no point in having 200 grams of it. Sorry, 200 milligrams. At least a gram of vitamin C is a healthy amount. Okay, and now what are we going on to? So, a pinch of Himalayan sea salt. I'm going to add in some ground cinnamon here because I like the flavour. So I'll put that one in. Now, we're going to have a teaspoon. I've got this in a separate jar, but this is a good teaspoon of organic turmeric. Healthy for everything. A bit spicy. And then whenever you use turmeric, it needs to go with black pepper. So a little bit of black pepper. They seem to work synergistically. I don't think everybody knows that, but if you synergistically, anyway. So that one. Try to look, what have I missed out here? Pretty much everything, I think. Yeah. Excellent. So now I'm going to blend this up, and yeah, we'll see what it's like.